Hmm. All right now, I'm thinking of going short. Just want to see price respect this area for real on gold. Looking at it on the 1 minute, I want to just see some significant bearish pressure, pretty much close nicely. This rejection into this area right here is not the best of what I want to see. That is not going to help the situation for me to take that short. Um, So instead, with how it reacted off here, it's giving room for taking longs. But I don't want to take a long till I want to see price goes ahead and go fully above this level of resistance. Like price has been respecting this resistance for a minute. Been playing around there. I only take a long if it goes above that area. As of now, I'm still just interested in shorts. And I don't want to take a long to anticipate the breakout. I don't want to do that. Even though 9:30 is approaching, so I believe it's gonna it might break out to the upside as well, but I like just seeing my confluences first before I go into a trade rather than just playing off anticipations where the confluences are not aligned yet. Yep, it's going. That's it. Breaking above it. Gotta see that closure. And I'm on, this is the 1 minute, so I want to see that closure on the 5 minutes at least. Next is a strong expansion to the upside. Take out these highs. I don't want these highs to be like, okay, if I take it out, if it takes it out and I gain it for long and then it starts shorting because it just swept out equal highs, you know? See what I'm saying? Failure to take it out. Bearish pressure kicking in. You just gotta be patient. One thing in trading you want to know is just safe areas for a buy and for a sell. So now that's what the 1 minute has given to me. Starting off the pressure, if this goes ahead and close strongly bearish, I'll immediately get in for the sell. But it's still playing around. The volume is not, honestly, that volume closed fully bearish. It didn't. Instead, because right here on this doji is a demand zone. It's going back up, just watching. So a minute left before 9:30 opens, and pretty much it's gonna probably go long. Going long. Order filled. Stop loss below here. If you're looking on the 1 hour, H1, we have cleared above those highs nicely. Targeted to the next previous, to the next potential supply zone. There's like a little 1:2 type trade. So more than a 1:2, 1 is like 2.5. So I'm looking at the supply zone on the 5 minutes. It looks like price has a potential to pull back into this area down here and then goes up. That's what I'm currently saying. Like price has the potential to pull in here to this area, then push up. Since it didn't just kick off of the 9:30 move, So I'm gonna go ahead and close this position right now with a minimum loss.
Order filled.
And I'll wait for a pullback because the 930 move was not impulsive as I wanted it to be. I wait for a pullback into that area and I'm going. So I've taken a little loss right now, but it's nothing compared to if it had hit my stop loss. My now price has definitely expanded for a good minute. Let's have a little discount and then continue to the upside.
That's that drop, you see? That's the drop I was talking about right there.
Mhm. Excuse me. It's gonna drop. So does it drop in? What we have to do is wait on significant bullish pressure. Yeah, that is if he gives it to us. If he doesn't, then shit, we start shorting. Because at that point he just basically took out his highs and then he's ready to continue going back to the downside. Because originally on the 1 hour, it is kind of like in a higher lower lows and lower highs move right now. It is reacting off the zone right now though. But it's, it's not what I want to see. Now the total takeover I'm looking forward to. That zone is like it's at 23% of the move of the trend, of that uptrend right now. That's giving bullish, but is it significant enough though? That's what I need to see. So get bullish to me personally is not significant enough because the body failed to close above this week. So this thing's kind of sick will have to tell me. All right, so that's what he did. We'll go short instead.
Order filled.
Stop loss above this high, and we're going short. Now my price is giving us lower lows and lower highs. It's the first lower high is giving us. I don't see respecting that zone anymore with how strong the bearish pressure is. Let's just see how it goes. Um, that candlestick has 19 seconds before it closes. We hope it goes ahead and close lower. I was supposed to get in at just the opening up. Like it just opens right trying to get in, but shit, wasn't paying too much attention on the chart. I was looking at my phone, so that cost me my entry right there. That low has been taken out. So price could potentially give us another pullback after taking out that low. Maybe it might sell a little bit before giving us that pullback. So that's what how it goes. On the one-on-one time frame now, everything is giving much pretty much like a week rejection into the upside. That you can see is giving like a week. So this was my save by area above here. Sell area is still very much within this area. Took out these highs, so I'm expecting it to keep selling down because market already has been giving, it's like lower lows and lower highs. So let's see how it keeps going down. This candlestick might turn out entirely bearish. So currently, it's a little bit of profit, just playing around, stuff like that. So that is a 1 minute move. We are looking, maybe even come all the way to these lows, but around moment when prices getting around these lows here, I'll be careful because you can see that there's always been rejection around that area. But if this is the move that is about to take out all these lows, then it will be a definitely good trade. Hopefully it keeps going down. That's a pullback that's happening. It's a strong bullish pullback. Crazy. So strong bullish candle there. You don't like that. 950. Let's see. So we're currently almost a 1:1 right now. Probably expecting again another 1 minute pullback. The price is currently slowing down. We do kind of like have an area of possible rejection around here on this 1 minute here. So let's see how price fights around it and breaks it. We do have 6 more minutes before this 1 hour candlestick closes. And if it closes as a nice rejection, like this, a nice pin bar rejection, bearish pin bar rejection, that would be super nice. I'll just know like, okay, price is most likely gonna continue going down. Price don't barely want to go up, it's just gonna keep going down. Let's see. 5 more minutes to go. We person made a mistake listing this car for 63K. This is not worth 63K. Mhm. See how trading is pretty much boring. You have to do a lot of sitting around and waiting and stuff like that. It's not too fun. Like chilling, waiting, keeping your cool. Let the analysis play out. So price is still playing around that area. Hasn't taken it out yet. How many minutes left? 2 more minutes left. 1 more minute. So we pretty much have a nice strong bearish candle at this point on the 1 hour time frame. And let's say nice strong bearish because I hate to see a weak. Let's just see how it goes as it's pushing further down. So this trade particularly has taken us about 30 minutes or 28 minutes. And price risk to reward above this high. So we like a almost 1:2 at this point. We're just gonna see how price is gonna keep dumping down for the most part. If price has putting back aggressively, my risk management now on this trade because I have a now I'm trading on the 1 minute, so everything is based off the 1 minute. So if a 1 minute pullback doesn't meet my exit criteria, like my holding criteria for me to keep holding that trade, I'm gonna exit. Like right now again, we are approaching another 1 minute supply zone. Excuse me. next hour candlestick open, and we will see what the next hour has to offer. Like I was saying, I'm trading off 1 minute. I'm basing off my criteria off the 1 minute. I do have what is called the 38% rule criteria for my exit. So if it happens to be that I pull the fib out, this fib look terrible. But if the full fib putting back 38%, at this point, when it pulls back at least 23% very aggressively, you see that's what is happening right now. I will leave with some contracts. That's a terrible looking fib. Ah. I know I just came on and just tried to be aggressive for no reason. But we holding still. I have a feeling that with this move, it's going to come all the way down here. 1 to 2, I could call it a day and be like, yeah, but I have the ability to make, the potential. I feel like this trade has that potential. Let me go ahead and check out the trade I called out to my signal room, JPY. Let's see how it's doing. Let's see if he hit TP1 yet, because it was 25 pips. And that one's still moving. Oh shit, I made a mistake. Mm, so we're almost at TP2. TP, almost at TP2. Let me update the group chat. I don't like how gold slowed down. I need that aggressiveness. Now we're slowing down. It's just giving me the vibe to call it a day. Now this build up here, I don't like this build up. I want to see price close below these. In the next couple of candlesticks for me to keep on holding that trade. If it doesn't, then let me just call it a day and call it a $10,000 day. Um, um, mm, next candlestick comes in a couple of. See, it's just reacting up there. The moment it starts giving me like a double bottom type vibe, I'm out. Like it's just reacting still on that same zone. See what it's giving now? I don't like that. So I'm out. Let's do 30 seconds. Let's see what's happening on the 30 seconds. Sometimes I go all the way down to 30 seconds for real, for real. See that little zone. It's not the strongest zone right now, but it's definitely building up price. And since I already have a 1:2, my contract is pretty heavy. It's making me want to actually leave this trade. Okay, we finally broke below it. Beautiful. We didn't close. We broke again, but we didn't close below it. 7 seconds left on that candle. Let's see what it goes. closing five Order contracts filled. So I can stay in profit, then I'm holding the rest. I closed 10 contracts and let five contracts run. That five contracts running is still pretty much a decent amount, not gonna lie, because it's still gonna give like 14K if it goes to that direction all the way. If it comes all the way here, it's gonna be like eight. It's just I have to secure profit. You feel me? Like you have to secure profits.
Let's go.
Let's see how it goes. And we just stay breaking through everything because why? The previous 1 hour bearish candlestick that closed was a very significant bearish candlestick. Look at that 1 hour. Like the moment it weaked, rejection of these highs, you already know where we're going. So we're gonna see if price is going to respect this level again, or it's going to break past this level right now. Um, yeah, another portion price right there. Bulls are trying to do their thing, but you can clearly see that they don't really have it in them right now. My screen was tripping for a second there. Delete all these, cause now it's invalid. And yeah, we have strong push down, more strong push downs. Yeah, remember, we are definitely in an area of where we are have to be aware of highly, like multiple rejections all around this area. Right, yeah. So remember, I got into the first trade and I had to leave it because it didn't meet up with the criteria. So sometimes some traders will not want to leave a trade. They rather see hit their stop loss. But now I avoided the 30. I think it was like I don't remember how much I was risking. Maybe it was like a 6,000 or whatever. I don't remember. But I avoided that L and then, made a W. Some traders who want to hold it. So that's one thing that me personally, as my experience, I would say you need to be able to identify when the trade can no longer go your direction. A trade doesn't have to hit your stop loss every time for you to know you're wrong. Sometimes while you're in the trade and how the trade is building up the price action to that trade, you should just know you're wrong. You should just know you're wrong and just get the freak out of that trade. So we're still pushing. Definitely, I'm gonna move my stop loss. I mean my TP because we're still very much bearish and and it finally took out all those lows. And for us to know that this trade will be able to go further down comfortably is when it takes out this lowest week where price has gotten to before. The moment price takes out this lowest point, oh yeah, we're coming all the way down to hell. For sure, for sure. Just checking again on that RJPY trade. Let's see if we hit TP3. Almost about to hit TP3. We are currently JPY trader called for my signal room. We are currently 65 pips in profit. TP3 will be 75 pips. It's a decent day, not gonna lie. I would have been in crazy profit by now if I didn't close that position. If I didn't close 10 of our positions. But hey, that's just it. You just want to pay yourself. That's the main part. Like everything now is literally a plus for real, for real. Like everything now has been a plus. So I think I'm gonna end the recording here because there's no point of keep recording. You guys already see what's going on. And yeah, I don't really have much to say anymore. You can see the W in the charts for real, for real. I hope like the little trade breakdown made sense to y'all and how I managed my trade and my risks during this moment of making this profit. Um, that's a little PH for you. So you're still blessed.